say 10K SAS, for example,
Right.
these other offers
Populate the
available.
different choices.
Absolutely, right? Now to go in here, I'll let you drive yourself. So to go in here, all you need to do is click on provision storage, right? And you basically, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you a couple questions. One is give it a name, call it Michael. Let's be original, right? Okay. Your service level is already diamond because you selected that from here. If you knew a little about your workload, you could give us a little more details. If you don't, that's fine. The machine will learn, right? There is no rep, so you want to actually change that to default. We've got a single box here. The number of volumes you want, and the volume capacity. Right? So say 10, and say there are 1 terabyte runs for, or say there are, yeah, go with 1,000. We'll go with base 10 here, right?
Okay.
They're all set. Click on next. So you've described what you want for storage. Click on your server you want to see that
Of course.
There you go. It's got to be Dell, right?
Gotta be Dell, yeah.
Okay. So then we go in here. We're actually showing you how the server is going to connect to the storage array itself.
Yeah.
You can click next for that. We'll help you do that. The suitability check, I think, is real important, right? So let's click on that. What we're showing you here is, so we know we've got flash drives in the system, so we know we've got plenty of horsepower in the back end, but we're actually trying to show you what's going on in the front end, the other resources in the box, right? Key to us, right? Because in an enterprise level solution, we're sitting there talking to people and they're saying, hey, the box was great, but I put this other big application on there, and then we have problems. This is trying to give you an idea of what system resources are being used in the gray box, the current load, and what the additional load is going to look like.
And this is based on
Utilization of the box historically.
Okay.
Okay.
Got
So
it.
it's as simple as going in here. Let's actually provision this for you. So we go in here, we hit run now. We'll just show you the details, and you're good to go. Right? Once this comes up, it's creating the thin volumes. Everything's virtually provisioned here, right? That's the world we live in these days. And once it's up, you go back to the server and you see the storage. Done.
Wow.
It is. This is why we're merging, buddy.
And how long would this have taken a customer,
Historically?
a year ago or 2 years ago?
You're talking the better part of 10, 20 minutes to maybe, we got it down to maybe 5, 6, maybe down to a couple. But the idea now is because we're response time based and we're looking at the targets, management hands off now, right?
Got it. Cool.
Absolutely. Thank you for stopping by. This is great. It's great to see you again. I met you in Hopkinton when you were walking through the halls with Joe one day. Your new home, right?
Back in October
or back in October.
Different time. Okay, cool. All right. Very nice.
Yep.